Hello, welcome to another video. August is my birthday month, so in today's video I'm going to share a few goodies I've got. It involves 3 handbags and 1 SLG. I hope you enjoy. So the first one is, ta-da! It is this handbag that my daughter made. So in the front it has the heart, and in the back it says I love you mommy. It's so sweet. And it has the handle that go from the front here to the back here, just a single handle. Really like a wheel handbag. She also put a lot of goodies inside the bag for me, so it is so sweet of her. She knows her mommy. She knows that I adore handbags, especially good quality handbags I can use many years to come. I do want to share this with you guys because it just melts my heart and whenever I see this. So on to the next one. It is a wheel handbag that I can actually use, and that is, ta-da! It is this Marc Jacobs handbag. It is in kind of like a pink peach color in a very smooth leather. It is really good quality. It reminds me of the Louis Vuitton pochette a lot. This strap is not adjustable and not removable, and that will definitely be one big difference between the pochette and this one. The hardware is the shiny gold hardware. Usually I'm not a big fan of the shiny gold hardware, but since it is just limited to this little pieces here, so I'm okay with that. And inside I still have the tissue. It's just one big pocket, fabric lining, and you also have one card slot in the back that you can put some random stuff in there. So this is what it looks like when I took out the tissue paper. It's really beautiful. The other thing that I was very excited about the bag too is the price. I got this from Nordstrom Rack for $125, and I cannot believe it because it's such a good quality bag. The leather is so soft, and so I don't know, it's just good quality bag. And I always liked Marc Jacobs handbags. Anyway, so when I saw this at the store, I know that I have to pick it up. The second one I picked up is, ta-da! Is this Tory Burch Crossbody. I got it actually from Nordstrom anniversary sale. Again, this is very similar to the Marc Jacobs one. The difference is this is crossbody only, and the strap here is a one size fit all strap, and it's not adjustable. What sold me on this is just the simplicity of the bag and the hardware. This is a very beautiful brushed gold hardware. And when I try it on, I feel like it's just not too much gold, and it's not gold all around, and they have this very comfortable leather strap. So I can see myself wearing this to the zoo and wearing all day without feeling like something digging into my shoulder. Inside is very similar to the Marc Jacobs. It's also one big pocket with fabric lining. There are actually 4, and let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then they also have one long slip pocket in the back. There's no zipper pocket though. It does not matter to me because it does have the zipper on top. So let me show you side by side with the Marc Jacobs. So here is how they look like. They're very similar. The Marc Jacobs one is slightly longer and slightly wider, but they are 2 very similar bags. I got the light color one as a shoulder bag, and I got the black one as a crossbody, which is perfect because I wear dark jeans all the time. Those are the 2 bags, or technically 3 bags I got for my birthday. And now I'm going to share my last thing with you. So this is going to be something from Louis Vuitton. It's also going to be an unboxing because I have not seen it since I picked it from the store. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh my goodness. Actually, I don't know where to start. I searched high and low for this piece because I don't want to pay above retail for an item that's used, and so I work really hard to locate this item. I call the 1-800 number almost every day and then try to stop by the store when I can to see if they have one. And finally I was able to track one down, and oh my goodness. So here is the tag inside. This is the famous red lining, and yeah, oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. The chain, and then it is made in France. I'm not sure if you can see it. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said earlier, it wasn't a crazy birthday haul, but I loved all the pieces I've got, and I'm very thankful for the things that I have. I do upload videos about working as a professional, as a working mom, as well as anything related to my love of handbags. So if you enjoyed those topics, I would love you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.